No.
They live life to their fullest potential.
They go like, they're so bent up. What is that?
Hello, my Holly Jolly Ballies. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordyn. Welcome back to another Jordyn video.
No, we're not just gonna skip past that. Like, you didn't just say what you just said.
Holly Jolly Ballies?
What is that?
My took out the door squeaking his ball. So today we're doing what I got for Christmas haul. And usual disclaimer, I'm not doing this to be braggy in any way, shape, or form. I'm just doing this because you guys like it and I also like it. And you know, we just sharing our gifts. You guys share your gifts in the comments. I share my gifts in the video. So let's jump right into this. Skirt. Over here, I'm gonna start with this one. I got a 35X big prim bin. Cute it is, the packaging. I love when makeup has cute packaging because it's like the best. Okay, so this is the palette. It looks the same as the box. It's just more shiny. And look at the inside. I absolutely adore like natural palettes because I don't use bright colors. But look how cute. And let's get a little swatch of this color right here. You ready? How does that look?
You can't really see it. You can, but the sunlight.
Yeah, but the colors are so pretty and I love them. Definitely gonna be one of my palettes I'm gonna be using a lot. Moving right along, we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. And this one's Moonchild and this one says Sun Dipped on the back, so I'm guessing it's Sun Dipped. I love the Moonchild one, like especially because first of all, the color, and look at the inside, guys. Oh my gosh, it's like unique, like highlight colors that I don't know you wouldn't really use, like a blue highlight, and then you can just see the blue shimmer. My favorite one is the Blue Eyes because you think it's gonna be just white, but it's not. It has blue undertones. That's insane.
Insane.
Then we have the Sun Dipped, and I really like the Sun Dipped because it might just have 4 colors, but come on, guys. No, sorry, I got it. But look at those colors. Those are so cute, and you can use these colors for like anything. They're nice, basic, very pigmented. We have some makeup brushes. My mom got me these makeup brushes because one, I've been using the same makeup brushes, haven't cleaned them once for like a year. And that's disgusting. So my mom got me these because they're like crystal makeup brushes. Like they're supposed to like mimic like looks of crystals. Like this one looks like rose quartz sort of. Look how pretty that is. And they're supposed to be like zodiac. So it's just like the zodiac sign or whatever. And I'm a Scorpio. Oh, don't mess with me.
Yikes.
That was so
oh my god. What was that?
Then my friend Rista Trista, she got me these super cute like lip capsules. So they look like pills. I don't know if that gets censored or not. But look at that little cute little bottle. And then you open it. And a lipstick. How I look?
Crazy.
Yeah. Then I got this cute packaging, and it's Bath and Body Works, and it came with so much stuff. Hold on, let me open it. Okay, so we have Champagne Toast Lotion, then some Champagne Toast Shower Gel, and it's all the same smell. I love the smell of Champagne Toast. Then we have the fragrance. We have the antibacterial hand spray, Omicron, stay back. And we got candles. I love candles. I've been obsessed with candles. And my mom said she wasn't getting me candles because she missed candle day, but she lied. But we have Champagne Toast, a little mini candle. And we got the giant one right here. This one's really cute. It smells so good. And then we got hand lotion. Oh, wait. Yeah, hand cream and hand sanitizer. I'm smelling good. Smell like a little tipsy bottle.
No, you don't.
Then in this big white box, can you guys guess what it is? Oh my gosh, it's clothes. So you have this really cute cardigan that the flowers reminded me of the Nickelodeon orange splat. So this is really cute, my little Nickelodeon cardigan. Then we have 3 pairs of corduroy pants that my mom has. And I was like, I want them.
Yeah, you were trying to steal.
I was trying to steal them, but they were too big for me.
So I got you your own.
So she got me my own. So we have black corduroy, and I need black pants because I just need to feel emo some days. And then I have brown. My mama got me brown. And then these are like a super cute color. I love these.
I love that color. It's like a mustard
it's like
tan.
A mustard brown.
Very cute.
Like it looks like a snail color. Oh,
be careful. That's heavy.
I'm gonna go in this box right here. And my mom called me stinky with this box because look at the inside. It's a bunch of like shower things. Just tell me I stink. Just give me deodorant.
Okay, you.
Just give me deodorant.
No, because you asked for these.
Proof?
I will upload your Christmas list.
Okay, but look at this. I love. This is shower jelly.
Stop!
I love shower jelly.
Stop with your dirty fingers.
They're not dirty.
Yes, they are.
And so she got me mango phrase shower jelly and also strawberry phrase. No, mango magoo. And strawberry phase. My favorite one is the strawberry phase because it's the first one I got and it's low-key nostalgic.
Nostalgic.
And then she got me sugar scrub. So she got me, which one's what flavor is this? This is like a rose flavor, or not flavor, smell. I'm not eating these guys. I don't eat them. I only eat them sometimes.
What the heck?
Depending on the occasion. And then we have coconut. The coconut one smells so good. I love the coconut one. And then she got me these. Look at how, first of all, the packaging.
Very cute.
So cute. So she got me, it's whipped butter.
Soap.
It's whipped soap. And also like little sugar scraps, but they look like little sugar cubes.
Those are so
Those
cute.
are so cute. And then the whipped soap, I always see the whipped soap things on TikTok, you know, where they go.
I think that's body cream though. On TikTok.
I always thought they was whipped. And I always thought I thought I was gonna poke into it and it was gonna be like fluffy, like just foam soap. But it's thick. Like I could knock on it. My family got me new Air Forces because they called me a dirty little stinky gal. Because look, okay, I'm gonna go grab them, but these are the new ones. Ooh, so nice, so fresh,
so clean.
Fly, so clean. And my other ones, I'll show you guys. They're not that bad.
They're pretty bad.
They're not that bad.
They're pretty bad.
Look. So these are my other ones.
They are, bro.
Sometimes when they're busted, it just shows that they lived life.
No.
They lived life to their fullest potential.
They go like, they're so bent up. What is that?
This shows, you know, skipping classes.
Where are you skipping classes
I
to
don't
go?
skip classes.
Liar.
And then I got a facial steamer from my granny. Look at how nice that is. I didn't need one, but
You definitely have dry skin, so that's cool.
Anyway. So this is really cool because like it comes with a mirror and stuff. I would show you guys, but like it's like gotta put it together. It's like too much. But it's, first of all, it's really cute. It's rose gold and it's just flawless on the thing. And I mean, thanks for the compliment, I guess. Then this is my gift from my dearest friend, Emily.
What did you just break?
I didn't break anything.
Something sounded like it broke.
It didn't break, it just bonked.
Oh, okay. Let's hope.
Got me Lay's potato chips. And the note on it says, because you didn't get to finish them last time, because one of my friends...
The tag says to Jordyn from Joe.
Joe Mama! Oh, you're so funny!
Did you not see that?
No. But she got me Lay's potato chips because in class one time my friend stole my Lay's potato chips and ate them right in front of me. And I cried. But anyways, then she got me a little cute llama that says Happy Holidays or alpaca, whatever you guys like to believe in. And then she got me warm vanilla sugar body spray. I love the smell of it. It smells so good. Then she got me cute cozy socks. I love cozy socks. Can never go wrong. And then she got me this is what bonked.
Oh, did it break?
No. She got me black cherry merlot.
Merlot. That's a wine.
And
not everybody trying to give you alcohol. The tea is silent. It's Merlot.
Then why add the tea? And then she got me some snacks, but I ate most of them. And then, ooh, and here my father, my papa, that's out in the living room. First of all, look how cute this little box is. It's so cute. And then, pop it open like champagne. He got me 14 karat gold Hello Kitty earrings. Material Girl. These are so cute. And I was like, boy, you could just bought me Hello Kitty Shein earrings.
No, because Jordyn will wear Shein jewelry, which is fine, but she forgets to take it off, and then she'll take a shower, and then her ears turn green.
Nothing wrong with the little green.
No, it is.
Hashtag
you can't just be having green ears all the time.
It's a cosplay.
Bye.
Green lady. Then in this box, my mama got me a bunch of cardigans. So she got me this one. This one is really cute because it looks like a little desert landscape.
And the pearls.
The pearl, where?
The buttons. You didn't even see?
I didn't even see that, no. Super cute one. And I love this one because look at the collar. Look at that. Hold on. I'm trying to show you guys and I'm not even showing you. Look at that. You can't see. But look how cute that is. A cardigan with a little collar. That's adorable. This one, I really love this one too. The color scheme. She had a vibe going and she definitely hit the nail on the ball.
Head.
Yeah. And this one's really cute. It looks like a little Christmas sweater. Like the design reminds me of a Christmas sweater would be. Are you guys prepared for this last one? Look how adorable this is. I saw this on Pinterest like a long time ago, sometime in 7th grade, I believe. And I sent it to my mama and I was like, look how cute this cardigan is. And then I found the website and I was like, look how cute this cardigan is. You know, trying to hint. She didn't get the hint then, but she got the hint now. Let's get it. So now moving on over here, I got 3. Let's do these together. That'd be easier. I got 3 albums. Oh my god, when she's a K-pop girly. And this one is TXT Blue Hour. I got Taeyoung in that. And then in this one, I got, oh, this one's Persona. My mom loves the Persona album. She says they're the prettiest.
They're so pretty.
They are really pretty, huh? And I was telling her to get this one. She's like, you already have this one.
Don't expose me, because they're so complicated.
No, because every time I'm like, oh, I like this album. She's like, you already have that. No, I don't.
You do.
But in this one I got RM. And then this one is the 4th mini album. This one's really pretty. I love this one. And I got RM also. I have RM fever. I get him in like every single album, guys. It's like a problem. I got this at my granny's house. Oh, it's heavy. And this, it's like a baking set. Wait, that's the, okay. It's a 20-piece baking set and it comes with a bunch of things. It comes with cutting boards, rolling pin, a shifter, a whisk. It's like perfect for me because I be baking. I'm a bread maker. These 2 bags, I got cozy socks, a little sweater, a crew neck my dad got me, and then in this one I got cute little PJs. Not too much, not too much. So, I don't know if you guys remember my Christmas wish list video, and I kept mentioning a snow cone machine, and my mom was like, I'm not getting you a snow cone machine. And she didn't get me a snow cone machine. But if you guys remember, I used to be a Justice Girl with Heart, and one of my Justice Girl with Heart sisters, Layla, she saw my video and she sent me my own snow cone machine. It's so adorable. It's so cute. I can't wait to make it. I'm literally gonna get right to cooking it up. It's look at the little cups. Oh my gosh. I absolutely love snow cones, so I'm gonna keep this in my room. And every time, I'm only gonna come out for ice. That's the only thing.
Yeah, I wish you were kidding, but I know that you're not.
In my stocking, I got a ton of stuff, so we're gonna try to zoom through it. So in this one, it's a coffee scrub, delicious. And then I got decorative stickers because I love pretty stickers. We got this one, super cute, and then we have, look at this one. These are really pretty. And then I got, oh, my mama got me a bunch of jewelry. This one's like pearl necklaces. She got me pearl bracelets. Then she got me a lot of rings, and she stole 3 rings.
I stole 2.
So I got this ring pack. Oh, this ring pack is super cute. And I love, if you guys didn't notice, it's all gold because I love gold jewelry. Oh, an orange airhead.
Hey, Sid.
Hey, Sid. And then more decorative stickers. And then I got pretty fresh, it's a setting mist. So because I have really dry face, like I have a really dry face. So this is like that it sets your makeup and it also moisturizes you at the same time. Like, boy, how the heck is that even possible? And technology these days. So my dad got me Uno cards. I love Uno. And then chapstick that seems to have been chewed up by Draco. I don't know what was going on.
Why was he messing?
Look at that. It looks
crazy.
He was also biting on one of my sticker packs. He bites on anything I get.
He crazy.
Oh, my mom got me this jumbo highlighter thing. I've seen this on TikTok.
It's a NYX eye pencil.
Oh yeah, it's a NYX eye pencil. I've seen this on TikTok, and the girls just be going, and then they're done, and it looks good. So maybe I'll try that. And let's see how it works out. And then what else? Oh, I got more, what's it called? More
decorative
stickers. I love decorative stickers.
Oh.
We have putty eye primer. This is to, if I want to put eyeshadow on my eye, it's to make it pop. Like, speaking of pop, I didn't have a joke. Then we have this Sticks blush. I love blush, and it's just like a cream blush. I can just go like, and then it like blend it out. I love that. And then my mom got me another blush. She got me 2 of them. Look, I love her.
I think they're from ColourPop.
Oh,
I think that was your joke.
That was my joke, and I just forgot it.
Yeah, I know.
Then the last thing I got is, oh, Draco chewed up on this too. You can see the teeth marks. Bro!
Why is he so bad?
More decorative stickers that Draco got to. So yeah, that's all my presents, and comment down below what presents you got this year. How was your Christmas? Because it's been a long year for everybody, so just sum up your year. How was it? How do you feel about it? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff, and have a great Christmas. Love you guys. Bye. Love you.